Eli, how much do you think it costs to make a sandwich?
4 cents.
4 cents. What's going on, guys? So how much is it to actually make a homemade sandwich?
5,000 bucks, guys.
We just now went and we bought all of our supplies, our bread, our mayonnaise, mustard, our meat, cheese, some lettuce, and 1 tomato. Boy, that thing makes a lot.
Mustard.
And also, we got our pickles. A bit more expensive pickles, but they taste way better. That's
4,000 bucks, guys. Coming up the mustard is for 4,000 bucks. And bread.
Alright, let's start with the bread.
And the mustard these for you, Dad.
This bread was $2.
20,000 bucks, everyone. It's cheesy.
So pretty much you can say 8 cents per slice of bread. It's kind of crazy. What are you doing back there? Hey, get down. What do you think you're doing?
I'm just gonna get this.
Whenever you make a sandwich, the bread costs 17 cents.
17
It's actually
cents?
less than what I
No
thought it
way,
was going to
Dad.
cost. I know, right?
No way.
Might at least be a quarter, something like that. Alright, so let's get out our 2 slices of bread.
2 slices of bread.
Everyone usually skips the heel, you know. I'm gonna skip it too. But it will get eaten eventually. Like I don't know, you can do a grilled cheese, but flip it around. It'll still make it taste good. 8.5 cents, 8.5 cents each. Right, that's crazy. Elijah's just gonna be in and out of the video the whole time. He just kind of comes and goes.
I'm working so hard, Dad.
You are working very hard, you are. Very hard. This mayonnaise costs $2.50 at our store, so...
And I will come back, guys.
Hold on. Something crazy just happened.
What?
The mayonnaise per sandwich is the exact cost of the slices of bread. And so, it's costing us another 17 cents to add mayonnaise to our sandwich. Mayo, 17 cents. I should have done all this math beforehand, but I haven't, so let's put the stuff we already have all the way on the right side. So now we got mustard. I'll let you add the mustard to the sandwich.
Yeah.
The mustard cost $1.32, like 7 cents per ounce. And so that's gonna up our cost 7 more cents.
Yeah, can I do it? Can I?
Alright, so you can add it to the sandwich. Okay, yeah, that was a bit more than what we thought. This is gonna be a very mustardy sandwich. I'll probably cut some out and put it on the other one. If you like mustard, that's the way you wanna do it. Now we got our meat. We went with the oven roasted turkey breast. The best one ever, alright? This is the good stuff.
Okay, I will open it.
It's like I don't know, you get stuck eating one
Done.
type of meat and it just tastes so good. It's like, it's hard to try something different, you know? So,
Okay.
it cost us 75 cents to add our meat. You can add the meat, go ahead.
Okay.
Alright? Alright. The way I lay meat is I'll take a slice and then I'll roll it over. I'll roll it over like that.
I want a sandwich.
Yeah, we're about to eat the biggest sandwich of all time.
The whole time?
That should be the next video.
Okay.
Biggest sandwich of all time.
So, after that, it's cheese.
That's right. Cheese is next.
I love cheese.
We're going with our cheese and we went with provolone.
I want to eat one.
Alright, let's see how much the cheese cost us.
Spicy cheese. Yeah.
Cheese.
I just want to.
Alright, so this one cost $2.20 per package. 22 cents per sandwich, adding a slice of cheese. Whenever you go out to a restaurant or something, sometimes it's actually $1 just to add a slice of cheese. After we add our cheese, what are we adding next?
Yes.
Let's cut up this tomato real quick. Up 8 cents to add tomatoes.
Yeah.
I do like a little better. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I could definitely add like 2 more sandwiches to that. Let's see how much that takes up. Maybe 4 of these slices. And it depends on how big they are. You want to add more?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot of tomatoes. Let me that's the heel.
Okay. So it costs 3 cents today, guys. So he had 6 cents.
Let's get this out of your way.
Okay, now we're gonna have lettuce. It's gonna be a massive sandwich. A Pickles sandwich.
I'm gonna let you go ahead and add some lettuce while I'm doing the numbers over here. So, cost $1.38. We'll say you can make about 10 sandwiches too. So, well, let's say $1.28 to $1.38. So the iceberg lettuce cost $1.28. That was very good, Eli. It looks really good.
And
All right, let's put it back in the bag.
this big thing costs 8 cents.
13 cents to add lettuce to our sandwich. 13 cents. We have one more thing, which is the pickles. Usually I add about 2 slices to the sandwiches. All right, that's 2 slices.
And
See how many slices? You can actually count how many slices are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12 slices of pickles. That only makes 6 sandwiches. I thought you'd get more out of this than 6 sandwiches. So let's do that math.
do it! Yay!
We're almost there. Hold on. We're almost there. $3.60 for the package divided by 6, because that's all you can get on there if you had 2 pickle slices. Each slice of pickle, this is 30 cents. So you're eating 3 dimes whenever you eat that. For 2 of them, it's costing us 60 cents. You're whopping down 2 quarters and a dime whenever you're eating that sandwich. Pickles are an extra 60 cents. That is one of the biggest costs, is pickles. I didn't think that they were gonna be that much. Here is our sandwich.
It's
Pretty amazing. The best sandwich of all time. Look at this. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Ed Bassmaster. He's pretty funny. Eli's gonna eat the entire thing in one sitting right here. He's gonna go for the whole thing. Go, 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 go. And how's it taste? I'm gonna need to take a bite of that now, because you made that look so good. Gotta cram it down like some cars to actually level everything out. Add these tomatoes back in here, and then we're gonna take a whopping bite of this thing. All right. It actually tastes pretty good.
I would have to take a bite right now.
You want another bite?
This big entire sandwich.
I thought it wasn't gonna taste that good, with it looking like a monster, but it actually still tastes good. Big, huge sandwich. And so let's add up all the prices up here. All right, let's do it. The slices of bread cost 17 cents. The mayonnaise cost 17 cents. Mustard cost us 7 cents.
I love it. It's yummy, guys.
The meat cost us 75 cents to add up there somewhere. The cheese cost us 22 cents to add. Tomatoes cost us 8 cents. Lettuce cost us 13 cents. And the pickles cost us 60 cents. Coming up to a grand total of, I didn't even add any of this up yet. So I got the total, and it cost us $2.19 to make a homemade sandwich. Very cheap.
You're the best one ever. This is the best one I ever ate.
Or something.
Don't forget to buy honey.
Yeah, don't forget the honey. Honey's amazing.
Don't forget it's live on your PBS station. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, have a blessed day. Thank you.